y'all, welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today we're going to be making some oxtails in the crock pot. Of course, you're going to need some oxtails, you're going to need some beef broth, you're going to need some flour, an onion, a big old onion. Make sure your onion is big. You're going to need some garlic, some thyme, and of course spicy girl, but you know you can season it however you prefer. You're also going to need some peperoncini peppers. My bad for not bringing that to the front so you guys could see it, but all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Season the oxtail with your spicy girl or whatever seasoning you prefer. Now in this skillet right here, I have the fat that I trimmed from the oxtail. I'm rendering it down so that I can saute the vegetables down in the oxtail fat. And here we go, y'all. All that fat came from, all that, grease came from the fat. Next, you want to add your beef broth and you want to mix this up really well and get it nice and incorporated. Your gravy is just going to be smooth, delicious, and thick. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the gravy is concerned. Next, you want to sear off your oxtails. This step is actually optional, guys. You can just throw it all in a crock pot, but I wanted to sear it to get some color on it, so that's why I did it. Next right here is when you're gonna add your peperoncini peppers. Again, my bad for not bringing the bottle to the front so you guys can see it. You also want to add your fresh thyme down in here, and yeah, mix it up. Next, you want to start adding that meat right down into your crock pot and getting it ready to go. I begin to. Alright, y'all, I'm going to set my crock pot on high for 6 hours and just set it and forget it. Next, I'm going to work on some green beans. I have some bacon sauteing down. I'm just going to add my green beans to it. This recipe is so easy and simple. It's ridiculous. And it's going to be packed with flavor. You can season this however you want. However, I'm going to season this with Spicy Girl. And then I'm going to add some chicken broth, cover it, and let it just reduce. And that's it. Simple, easy. You can't mess it up, no matter what you do. My second side is going to be cauliflower rice that I'm just going to saute down in some butter, salt, and pepper. Just like this, right out the grocery store. I got it out of Walmart. While that's sauteing down, I'm going to add my chicken broth to my green beans, cover it, and let it go. Next, I'm going to add my scallions to my cauliflower rice, just like this, and that's done. But y'all, look at these green beans, honey. I'm telling you, y'all. It was so easy and simple and packed with flavor. I tore these green beans up at dinner earlier. So yeah, it's easy, simple, packed with flavor, and you can't mess it up. Y'all, look at this plate of food. Like, I try to keep it a little healthy by not getting carbs with the oxtails. I kept it with just pure vegetables. But again, you can eat it whatever you want. This oxtail is so tender. I'm using a spoon and it's just melting away on my plate just by me just tapping it. Look at me playing in my food. But it was so tender and it was easy, simple, delicious, low maintenance. I know it seemed like we did a lot, but it was pretty easy to make this entire dish. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I'm going to let you guys hear what my husband thought about his meal today. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.
Bite mid lunch already. I got the cauliflower with oxtail and bacon green beans. It's good. Point blank and period is good. I don't know how the heck long it took to cook the oxtail, but it's soft as hell. It got all kinds of flavor. Look good. What do you think?